What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jake Gagan. In this episode, we're going to be talking about rug pulls, what you should look for, how you can spot them out, and what you can do to avoid them. I'm also going to be talking about exchanges that list these rug pulls and whether or not I believe they should be held accountable. And I'll tell you right now, the answer to that is yes. But before we get into it, guys, do me a favor, smash that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. I tweeted this out yesterday, guys. I said the sad truth. Docs devs, which means devs revealing their identity, first and last name, lock liquidity, live ask me anythings, whether it's on YouTube or Twitter, and CertiK audits mean very little anymore. And obviously, this is a tweet. I was able to post more about this in my Patreon, a full article. So if you want to, guys, click that link below and come join us in the Patreon to see my full tweet. I also talked about my investing strategy moving forward and what I'm going to look for. And one of those things right here, guys, is a licensed, registered LLC in the United States of America or another country. But I said, I want to see more projects becoming registered LLCs. This is a good first step to providing more transparency to investors. And realistically, when you register as an LLC in America, you put your full first name, last name, you provide your identity. I'm sure you have to provide your social security and your address. And that way it gives investors a little bit more peace of mind, because if they do end up rugging a project and pulling the rug on it, well, then at least you have, their contact information. You can have some sort of case when going after these people, because right now they're just disappearing. But honestly, Docs devs, lock liquidity, live AMAs, CertiK audits, building out use cases of NFT marketplaces and games and swaps and all these things. And then, a lot of them donate back to charity. It doesn't mean they're not going to be shady behind closed doors. So it's something that I'm keeping my eyes on. But I guess this is something that I am looking for when investing, is having these registered LLCs. I know it's not something that every company will do, but it gives me a little bit more peace of mind because we've seen too many rug pulls. Now, I want to talk about the exchanges, guys. Here's an article from LBank Exchange. They posted Tezuki Inu. And this was a project I never invested in. I never talked about this project. I did see it. I know a lot of people on Twitter and a lot of people that I see invested in this and lost a lot of money. And for those people, I feel terrible. Rugs are the worst thing in the world. And I think the people that rug this got away with it. But I want to talk about LBank. Look at this, guys. 11/7. Deposits are open. Trading window is open 11/8. And withdrawal is open 11/9 on the LBank Twitter page. So remember those dates. In the early days of November, it was listed. And then look what happened here. 11/21, rugged. So 12 days after it was listed on LBank, the entire project was rugged. I believe that LBank should be held accountable at least a little for this. They need to do a better job at vetting these projects. But this is not it. LBank is known for listing rug pulls, guys. They're known for it. Obviously, they list projects that aren't rug pulls, but look, they're not doing a good job at vetting these projects at all, especially if they list this project on the 8th of November and the rug gets pulled on the 21st of November. Now, Potter Inu, another one that was rugged a few days ago. Look at this, guys. Deposits open 11/28, trading open 11/29, withdrawal open 11/30 a few days ago. Okay, so 11/30. Well, let's take a look at the price. So it was listed on 11/30, and guess what? It was rugged the next day, December 1st, and the project was done on December 3rd. LBank listed this on 11/29. It was rugged on December 3rd, 4 days after they listed it, guys. They do need to be held accountable. I think that the team needs to just stop accepting payments from anybody like Potter Inu, like the Tezuki Inu, and I'm sure there's a lot of other ones, and really do a better job at vetting these projects. I think it's very, very important. Imagine if Robinhood listed, a project in the traditional sector, right? A stock, let's just say, or a company, and they pulled a rug, like there would be serious ramifications and people would be held accountable. And right now, these exchanges can just list whoever they want and no one's held accountable. So the rugs are a big thing, guys. They're a big issue, but I wanted to make this because I was, checking out projects. It's like, look, Docs devs, lock liquidity, live AMAs, use cases, CertiK audits. It means very little. Don't get me wrong. They do have some value, right? But it's not the end all be all. So this is something that I'll be looking for. I want to see more projects becoming registered LLCs. That way, at least they can be held accountable if something does happen. But let me know in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on this? Are you, did Docs devs mean everything for you? Are you going to be looking for LLCs? Let me know in the comments, guys. I think to sum it up, I said I'll tell you the best way to avoid it. I think the only way to avoid rug pulls right now, guys, is to not invest in these smaller tokens. I understand that there's high reward, but with high reward comes high risk. So always do your own research, guys, when investing. Make sure you're only investing, money that you are willing to lose, because it is the wild, wild west of cryptocurrency right now. Appreciate your guys' support. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this video, and we will see you on the next episode. Peace out, everybody.